We will continue with Chapter 8, Range, Interquartile Range for data in frequency table. Good days to all the Form 4 students. We will continue with Chapter 8, Range, Interquartile Range for data in frequency table. Okay, method to determine interquartile range. You have to follow the step. Step 1. Arrange the data in ascending order. Step 2. Determine the median first. Determine the median of data. Step 3. Divide the set of data into two groups of data before the median and the part of data after the median. Step 4. Q1 is the value of data in the middle position of the part of data before median. So Q1 is before median. And then step 5, Q3 is the value of data in the middle position of the part of data after the median. So step 6, if the number of data is odd, the median Q1 and Q3 can be identified directly from the data. Okay, if the number of data is odd, it's very easy. If the number of data is even, then the median Q1 and Q3 can be obtained by finding the average, okay, of the two values in the middle position of the part of data before or after the median. So finally, the interquartile range is actually Q3 minus Q1, or the difference between third quartile and first quartile. So meaning that you have to follow all the steps in order to find interquartile range. When number of data is odd, it's easy, but when the number of data is even, you need to find the average. So what is cumulative frequency? Cumulative frequency of a given data is determined by adding its frequency and all the frequency before it. Okay? Let's look at example 6. You are asking to determine the interquartile range of the following frequency table. So you are given the score 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and there are 3 students with the score 2, 5 students score 3, 6 students score 4, and then 8 students score 5, 12 students score 6, and 7 students score 7, and finally there are 3 students score is 8. Let's study the cumulative frequency table. So how to form the cumulative frequency table is you start with frequency 3. 3 you plus a 5 you get 8. 8 plus 6 you get 14. 14 you plus 8, 22. 22 plus 12 is 34. 34 plus 7 is 41. And finally, 41 plus 3 is 44. Okay, so you have learned for the first quartile, you must take 1 quarter, 1 over 4 of the total number of pupils. So 1 over 4 times 44 is the 11th. The 11 meaning yang ke-11 in Bahasa Malaysia. In Mandarin, we say 第11个 okay? So that means you look at the table, okay? The first one, the student with the first until the third is having score 2, okay? Score 2. There are 3 students score 2, alright? So until the 8th, the score is 3, alright? Until the 8th, the score is 3. So until 9 onwards, 9, okay, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 is having score 4. That means the 11 is having score 4 lah. Okay, understand? Okay, so now the Q3 is 3/4, 3 over 4 times 44. That means it's 33rd. 33rd terms, okay, 33rd value. So the 33rd value is lies in the 34. The 33rd value of the score is actually referring to 6. Okay, that means from 23 onwards to 34 is having score 6. Okay, understand? So Q3 is 6. So the interquartile range is actually Q3 minus Q1. So it's 6 minus 4. So the answer is 2. Now let's discuss question 2. Okay, first you need to find the range of the students. Okay, so first of all, you form the cumulative frequency. Then you find the maximum pocket money minus the minimum, that is 9 minus 4. So the answer is 5. Okay, the interquartile range is given by the formula Q3 minus Q1. So it's the third quartile minus the first quartile. So, okay, what is third quartile? Third quartile is total number of students times 3 over 4. So from the frequency table, from the cumulative frequency, you can observe total number of students is 32. So 3/4, 3 over 4 of the 32. So times 3 over 4 minus 1/4, 1 over 4 times 32. Okay, that is first quartile. So you will take 1 over 4 times 32, or you can say 32 over 4. So after you simplify, your answer is 24th value minus the 8th value. So the 24th value meaning what? Meaning, okay, yang ke-24, the 24th term is having pocket money 7 ringgit. That means from 23rd onwards until 28, okay, student is having 7 ringgit. So 24th is 7, and the 8th term is actually having pocket money 5 ringgit, because from the 6th onwards until 15, student is having pocket money 5 ringgit. So 7 minus 5. So your answer is 2 ringgit. This is the interquartile range for the pocket money for the student. Okay, let's see question B. Question B, you have to form a table. Just add one new row, and 3 plus 10, 13, 13 plus 13, 26, 26 plus 4, 30, 30 plus 8, 38, 38 plus 6, 44. And 44 is the total number of pupils. Okay, total number of pupils. Right. Now, okay, we want to find the range. So as usual, we take the highest score minus the lowest score. 15 minus 10. So the answer is 5. Okay, 5. The range is 5. The interquartile range is given by Q3 minus Q1. So how to find Q3 is we take 3/4 of the total. Okay, total 44 times 3 over 4 value minus 1 over 4 times 44, or you can write as 44 over 4. Okay, so after you simplify, 33 value minus the 11 value. So the 33 value is, where is it? Where is the score? It lies between 38. So okay, it's 14. So that means from 31 to 38 is having score 14. 31, 32, 33 all having score 14. 14 minus the 11 is, okay, that means the 4th until 13 is having 11. Okay, so the 13 there means that it's inclusive of 11, so it's having the value 11, the score 11. So the 14 minus 11, answer is 3. This is interquartile range. Okay, students, I prepared 2 questions for homeworks. Okay, please do on your own and check your answer. Send your homework to my Gmail account by today. So that's all for today's lesson. Bye. Have a nice day.